distress, incessant, oh, distress and grief, my soul has obtained and all escape the tempest by thy rhythm, sweet hour of rest, sweet hour of prayer, sweet hour of prayer, the joy I feel, the bliss I share of those I just spirits burn with strong desire for thy with such I hasten to the place where God, my Saviour, showed His face and gladly and wait for thee, sweet hour of prayer, sweet hour of prayer, sweet hour of prayer, thy will shall my birthday shall be to him who's true and faithfulness engage the weak soul to bless. And since he bids me see his face, believe his word and trust his grace, I'll cast on him my every care and wait for. Hallelujah.